Hi everyone, welcome to Quilted Cactus. This is an unboxing. In this box I have some of Tulip Bee's new Faux Real. It's her new vinyl, and I think she just I think it's Tuesday. I ordered, yeah, pretty sure I get this is Tuesdays when it opened up. So I think some have already received it, but I wanted to do an unboxing. Number one, I haven't done one in a while, and I've got some tried and true vinyls in here that I absolutely love, and a couple. I think there is some different colors in here. I honestly don't remember, but I also have a Faux Real. So we're going to unbox this. I have not opened it yet. It's still sealed. And I haven't, we're going to all see it together. But first, how do you all like my little jacket? Let's stand up. You can see it. I love this thing. It is my favorite little jacket. I bought this, embarrassed to say, off of Temu. I couldn't help myself. I seen it, and it was one of the things I just had to get. My daughter absolutely hates this thing. So if you like this, give me a comment, let me know, or give me a thumbs up. I love this little jacket. Anyway, so we're going to open this up together. So here we go. But anyway, yeah, had my little craft show Saturday. I told her I was going to wear it, and I brought it just to tease her, and I put it on like once and then took it back off. Put it on, took a picture of it, and took it back off. So, but anyway, but yeah, she hates this thing. She thinks it's ugly. I like to wear it around the house. So here we go. We got our paper. Alrighty. Oh yeah, I forgot. I ordered. Okay, so we got a pen. Yay. That is so cute. Always got to have a little pen for Tulip Bee. I have, oh my, notepad. Oh yeah, love that. And I got my thank you and some Tulip Bee stickers. I love these little stickers. Her little vinyl, holding her little vinyl, and just her little Tulip Bee sign. Love it. All right, might need to keep this open because I have to remember. So the first thing I want to pull out is what is this right here? Faux Real. It's a nice smooth, this is Saya pink, so it's a nice pink. The back of it, it's like a leather backing. That's nice. I like the back of it because it's like a leather backing. So it could be one of those things that you could leave it, but it's a nice smooth vinyl. It's really nice. Okay, let's take a look at it a little more. Let's open it up. Get my scissors. Let's be careful. We don't want to cut it yet. No. I'm trying to cut the sticker and not cut the vinyl. There we go. Sticker's right on the fold. And I am slipping out of my chair. I'm sitting on the edge of my chair and I'm falling out. All right, here we go. Let's look at it together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. It's got a great feel. It's nice. It is like a leather. And again, look at this back. So the back's very, very nice. I love it. And it's just really nice. And it's not thick, but it's what word I want to say? It's a firm like a leather, I guess you could say. So that is really, really nice. I can see, because you can hear it. Can you? I don't know. It's got like a, I don't know. It's nice. So I got Saya pink because that is Kasaya's favorite color. She loves pinks. So let's put this aside. Let's see. I got, oh, that feels good. I got something else in here that is out of my norm, but I went ahead and got it because I really like it as a, what I got here, I got it because I like it as a accent to bags. But I got it because I like the name, but I also like the color looking at it. Faux Real, another Faux Real called Wabi Sabi. I like the name of it, and look at the green. Now that's a nice green. Again, this is the Faux Real, a real nice green. Like it's like a, I guess you could call maybe a lighter olive, but that's very, very pretty. That's the only two Faux Reals I got. Because again, I wanted to try it and see what it was like. But I mean, I'm not going to put the other one up, but I really like the feel of it. It's got a nice, firm feel to it. But while we're here, let's go ahead and see what else we got. So I have bought her leopard print. She sold out of this like almost right away when she introduced it. She has it in different, okay, Wild and Fierce. Is that what it's called? Collection? Fierce and Wild collection. It's leopard. Right now she has the leopards and the different shades. I got charcoal black because there was the other color that she had. I think it was like the heather gray or something that she was sold out of. And I wanted to get something a little muted because animal prints is not my big thing. But I know other people like it. And again, I wanted it because I thought it would be good for an accent on a bag, like side pieces of some sort. But I have not had this yet. But I'm going to tell you what, just pulling it out of the box, look how soft this is. This is a really, really soft. If you've not bought it yet, if you're like me, the first time you got it, or you were afraid to try it, number one, this will absolutely be domestic friendly. On that note, this would be domestic friendly. You could use this in your domestic, but I'm going to say just by feeling it, I'd be very careful on your layers. I definitely would not put interfacing on it if you've got multiple layers. My domestic that I sewed with is an Elna experience, and it's one of a little heavier than just your basic sewing, your regular sewing machine. Just be careful if you have a domestic and you use the Faux Real, because again, it's not thick, but it's I guess maybe a little more dense, I guess is the word. I don't know. Like this is very soft, and you can tell a needle would go right through it. Easily, I should say. I mean, and look how drapey it is. Oh my gosh. So you definitely want to interface it. And now I can see, because when Skasaya was sewing with it, she'd interface it, because worrying about stretchiness, and I can see that. Now I know what she's talking about when she says it. Again, this is the Fierce and Wild collection. Leopard is the collection. This is charcoal black is the color of this one. And I got, this is one of my newer favorites. I got this the last time I ordered from her, which I didn't do an unboxing. Like I said, the main reason I was doing the unboxing was because of her new line. I wanted to show it in case anybody sees this and is interested in it. I definitely would give it a try. Can't wait to sew with it. I just cut out 3 bags in the last couple of days. So I don't have anything yet for this. So I got to get the other bag sewed, because I got another one I have to cut out that I have to get done in within a couple of weeks. It's an order. So I'm not going to have time for this unless I use, I don't know, maybe I might use this in the bag that I've got to make for someone, a special order. I don't know. We'll think about it. Anyway, sorry. Sidetracked my brain. Anyway, so my, what one of my favorites, newer favorites. Of course, all of it's her favorites, but it's called her Persuade Me. It's like a faux suede, and I love the feel of it. Feels so much like suede. But I got this color. It's called medium wash. She has a light, a medium, and a dark wash. I bought a medium wash because this honestly reminds me of denim, especially with the feel of it. It just makes me think of denim. I really like that. And it's a lighter wash jean, or a medium wash. I don't like light wash jeans. Never did like light wash jeans. I grew up in the era when we had what they called acid wash jeans. And my husband had a pair when we were first married. So that tells you how old I am. But anyways, so denim, this reminds me of it. Again, this is her Persuade Me collection, and it's a very soft, it's kind of soft like the Fierce and Wild collection. And I had to get another one of my favorite line, Timeless Tones, the Noir. This is the second time I've bought the Noir. I love this. This reminds me of an old leather chair. I mean, I know the Persuade Me is like a leather, but it's like a true leather is the, not the Persuade Me, I'm sorry, the Faux Real. This feels like a true leather as far as the heavy denseness of it. But this just reminds me, I don't know if it's the texture, the feel, but I love this Timeless Tones. It's one of my favorite lines. I think it is my favorite line. But I had to get me a couple of little Smoothie Smooths, and I bought me a turquoise Smoothie Smooth. I love the Smoothie Smooth. It's the bonded nylon, I think that's what they call it. Oop, that thing didn't rip well. But I love it. I needed some prettier, brighter colors because I love this for the lining and bags. But that's the back of it. It's like but anyways, I love it. It's great. It's a water-resistant canvas. I guess a lot of people compare it to like a raincoat type of feel. But anyway, I just thought I'd, again, bring this out, show to you the new Faux Real line. And I really like it. I love the feel of it. And again, I love the back of this. I love the backing of this because it reminds me so much of the back of leather, and that is awesome. But I like the thickness, the feel of it. I wish I could make the sound. I don't know, it's hard to explain. But anyway, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Give me a like or a thumbs up or even a comment about my loud, beautiful little jacket, or whatever you call it, evening coat jacket, to keep Tony warm coat, because it's like polyester, so this keeps the heat in, which I need. But give me a comment, give me a like, let me know. If you're not a subscriber, I would greatly appreciate it if you become a subscriber, and turn on your notification bells. You never know what's going to pop up. I've got some fun things coming. I hope fun things coming. I hope it's something that you'll enjoy coming up soon. I will talk about those in my April table talk, so stay tuned and turn on your notification bells, and I will go over the things that I have planned for the next few months. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everyone have a great day. Bye.